Star Trophies for the technical categories for both indie and mainstream. Kaya punta muna tayo sa mga bagong henerasyon ng mga aktor sa pelikula.
Sadyang nakakabilib ang mga child actors natin ngayon and our young actors dahil at the very early stage of their movie careers, hindi lang ang pagpapakit scene sa ginagawa nila. Buti nakita natin ang napaka-challenging na kanilang mga roles.
Yes po, ayan. Kaya naman kahit na bago ka pa lang sa industriya, pansin na pansin ang mga mauhusay nilang pagganap. Kaya ito, simulan na natin ang bahaging ito with the award for the Movie Child Performer of the Year. At narito ang mga cute na nominado.
To present the awards for male and female shining personalities of the night, please welcome the VP Admin and Finance of IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation, Ms. Cecilia Bravo, escorted by Mr. Miguel Bravo, Director of IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation.
And the male shining personality of the night is Mr. Alden Richard.
The male shining personality of the night will receive a plaque and cash prize from IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation, and they from Miss Baby Go of BG Productions.
And for the female shining personality of the night, congratulations to Miss Aiko Melendez.
The female shining personality of the night will receive a plaque and cash prize from IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation and a bouquet from Miss Baby Go of BG Productions. More stars and awards when the 40th Star Awards for Movies return.
Here I. Malalaman niyo sa aking pagbabalik. Maraming salamat, housemates. Hindi ba bibibigyan? Sorry. Nay, okay ba po kayo? Okay na okay si nanay. Sige. Sen, okay po kayo? Oh, good. Okay. Pogi pa rin si Santos sa personal.
Welcome back to the 40th PMPC Star Awards for Movies. And the excitement continues to level up. And as they say, papunta pa lang tayo dun sa exciting part. Oo, pero Bianx, alam ko, medyo close to your heart yung susunod na category dahil you are part of one strong love team na real at real. Nasaan nga ba si Ruru?
Grabe naman siya. Talagang hinahanap mo sa Facebook.
Oh, grabe naman. Ang sagot. Correct.
Pero ito honestly, Robbie, I agree with you. Kasi, actually, in all generations, napansin ko, talagang mga benda.
Para lang siyang dumaan sa hangin.
Guru is just here. Heart and spirit.
top. Okay. The Ruby celebration continues. Welcome back to the 40th PMPC Star Awards for movies. And the excitement continues to level up. And just like what they say, papunta pa lang tayo doon sa exciting part.
Yes.
Pero Bianca, alam ko, itong next category medyo close to your heart kasi you are part of one strong love team na real at real.
Grabe naman.
Ilang years na kayo ni Ruru?
6
6 years?
Yes.
Malapit na yan.
Sana nga. Sana nga. But anyway, eto Robbie, to be honest with you, I agree kasi ako napansin ko na in every generation, talagang mabenta sa moviegoers yung mga pelikula kapag may kalakip na love.
Uy, totoo yan. And our second award for this block ay para naman sa kakaibang friendship at suporta sa PMPC. Kaya nga siya tinatawag na Darling of the Press.
And here to present these two very special awards is a multi-awarded actor, director, and producer, and the president of Front Row International.